If you think the words Toyota Corolla just mean a small, sensible sedan for getting from A to B, think again. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid is here to flip that image on its head. This isn't just a Corolla with a lift kit, a seriously smart compact SUV with real performance, impressive tech, and the kind of fuel economy that makes your wallet breathe a sigh of relief. Let's start with the looks. No, it's not screaming for attention, and that's exactly the point. The Corolla Cross Hybrid is designed to fit in anywhere. The slim LED headlights, sharp body creases, and slightly raised stance give it just enough presence without going over the top. Higher trims add roof rails, tinted glass, and upgraded LED lighting, so you get subtle style without sacrificing Toyota's understated appeal. But under the hood, that's where the big news lives. Toyota has paired a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with 3 electric motors to produce a combined 196 horsepower, a massive bump over the Gassoni version. That translates to a 0 to 60 time of just 7.3 seconds, which is quick for this segment. And yes, all-wheel drive is standard, so it's ready for rain, snow, or whatever your weekend road trip throws at it. The hybrid system doesn't just deliver more speed, it's buttery smooth. Acceleration feels instant, and the switch between gas and electric power is so seamless you might not even notice it. Add in a sport-tuned suspension, and you've got a crossover that feels more planted and confident than most budget-friendly SUVs. It's the rare case where hybrid doesn't mean boring. And here's the kicker: fuel economy. Official EPA numbers aren't in yet for the 2026 model, but last year's version hit up 245 mpg city and 42 mpg combined. Even at highway speeds, it pulled 36 mpg in real-world testing. That's better than a lot of sedans, let alone SUVs. For commuters, that's huge: less time at the pump, more money in your pocket. Inside, Toyota keeps things practical and familiar. The upright seating position gives you a commanding view of the road, and everything is exactly where you expect it to be. Materials feel solid and durable, and there's a real sense this cabin will hold up for years. Space is another big win: 22 cubic feet of cargo room behind the rear seats, and a lot more when you fold them down, whether it's groceries, luggage, or camping gear. The Cross has you covered. Trim-wise, the Say model is the sweet spot. You get blind spot monitoring, paddle shifters, tinted windows, and roof rails without overspending. Want more luxury? The XSE trim adds synthetic leather, a power driver's seat, heated steering wheel, and ambient lighting. Nice upgrades, but not essential unless you really want the extra comfort. Tech gets a serious step up for 2026. The 10.5-inch touchscreen runs Toyota's latest infotainment system with wireless, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Higher trims offer a 12.3-inch, fully digital gauge cluster, making the cabin feel modern and upscale. You can add a wireless charging pad, rear USB ports, and even a JBL premium audio system for those road trip playlists. Safety. This is Toyota. We wouldn't expect anything less than a full suite of features. Every model gets Toyota Safety Sense, which includes lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and road sign recognition. That's peace of mind. Standard. So here's the bottom line. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid might not shout for attention, but it's a quiet revolution in the compact SUV game. You get Corolla reliability, hybrid efficiency, extra performance, and real-world SUV practicality on one package.